In this video, we will show you one of the tests, pressure test, to illustrate how well our product's quality is. The outside diameter of this coupling we use in this video is 88.9 mm. Increase pressure from 2 MPa to 3.5 MPa. We can see the pipe coupling works normally. The pipes are connected well. To ensure product's reliability, each product will be tested before shipment. Keep increasing pressure to 5.4 MPa. Still, no deformation or displacements occurred. Finally, increase pressure to 6.4 MPa. We can see pipes are connected well without any problems, and the pipe coupling works normally.